Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and I'm feeling a little underdressed today. Y'all, I didn't do all the stuff today because I was supposed to groom, got stood up, hold the story. It's actually the second time this week I've gotten stood up. What am I doing wrong? Oh my goodness. Everybody's always loved my grooming. I guess it's this stress of the holiday season coming up. It's just November. But you know how it goes. Y'all know me. I'm stressed like 99.99999% of the time. Daniel says my normal stress level is here. This is my normal every day. So when I get more stress put on me, it goes up here. Yeah. I don't handle it well, y'all. I need some stress handling advice. You got any stress handling advice? Put it below in the description. Not in the description. In the comment section. You know what I mean. Y'all know what I mean. We're gonna open a Mint Mongoose, y'all. And it's different. The bag is different. You know, normally it comes in that mint colored bag because it's Mint Mongoose. This is a jewelry subscription. So this is from a mama run company. Her name is Helena. She designs it. She tells you what her inspiration was for the month's jewelry. It all has a nice little theme. It's very cute, but normally very dainty jewelry. She sends you 2 pieces, but she's doing this awards program now where she's sending a lot of extra things. And, she'll give you a little card that says, oh, if you text this, you get an extra gift, things like that. I don't remember if I did that last month. Maybe I did. I don't remember. Anyway, so you can get this for as low as $19.99 if you do a pay by term option. Or if you do the month to month, it's $29.99. Of course, it goes down the more months you commit to. 12 months, you'd get it for $23.99. You can do bonus earrings or bonus rings, different things like that for like $3.99, $4.99, depending on if you do the subscription or one-time thing. You can do t-shirts, which I do. If it's one time, it's $11.99. If you do the subscription, it's $9.99. That's what I like to do. I love her t-shirts. Actually, I think I'm wearing one of them. Because, yeah, I love them. And, let's open this up. I do have an affiliate link down below. If you want to try Mint Mongoose, just use that link. I do appreciate it. I also have another link down there. You probably need to use the other one, which is a referral link, because that will give you $5 off your purchase. So just go to the one that says it'll give you $5 off your purchase. I normally put them both down there, but yeah, get the discount, y'all, if you want to subscribe. She also has a shop, like, she'll send you emails and say, hey, do you want to add this on or whatnot to past sets, bonus t-shirts, things like that, great prices. I think she's got a shop too where you can go and buy particular things. Oh, it's got a pumpkin on it. Let's look at the shirt. These shirts are so soft and comfortable. They wear so well. They wash so well. I love it. But size up, y'all. Definitely size up. I'm normally an extra large. I get a 3X. Hey, pumpkin. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going out of town this weekend again. And I'm going to take this shirt with me. Oh, so cute. Hey, pumpkin. My mama calls me pumpkin. So she'll love that. She'll love it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's look at the jewelry. In here, you've got the Mint Mongoose stamp, which I love. And then here is where all your information is. This is very at-home kind of picture for me. Hay bales and a sunrise. Y'all know. Y'all know. On the back is the inspiration and a peek at the jewelry. Grab life by the horns and live. Our inspiration behind this set. This month's set is inspired by the opportunity we all have to live life to the fullest, mixed with the coziness of fall. This is a unique season of life for my family. A few months ago, we embarked on a cross-country adventure to find our new home and will likely never experience this sort of change again. We're in a new place with new friendly faces and new memories to be made. We close on our new home in July and are still soaking it all in. In the area of California we lived before, and that the kiddos and I lived our entire lives, seasons weren't much of a thing, but they sure are here. And one of my favorites, fall, is knocking at our door. In a way, it feels like the fall season is the big red bow on top of this time in our lives. I designed this set in celebration of change, of new experiences, and of you grabbing life by the horns and living. The straw in the center of the pendant is my way of celebrating the fall season and the beautiful scenery of harvest hay around our new neck of the woods. The circle surrounding the main pendant is meant to resemble the endless opportunities at your fingertips to inject a little living into your day. Trust me, it's worth it. This concept of living life to the fullest can look different for everyone and by no means needs to be as drastic as moving your family across country. It is my own hope that when you wear this jewelry set, you feel encouraged to push your limits and do something you love or that excites you. It could be something big or small, something subtle or profound. The important thing is to take action. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. She's got Philippians 4:13 down here. So interesting. Now we get to see the jewelry. I tried not to peek, y'all. I was covering up the pictures so I wouldn't see them. Okay. So the first thing I see is, this is my bonus I get every month now for being subscribed for a certain amount of time. It's one of these little clasp things for your necklace and make it so easy. Thank you, Mint Mongoose. Yay, it's here. And a Werther's Original, which she sends in everything, everyone. I love it. My favorite candy. Alright, so it doesn't look like I have my bonus gift this time, but that's okay. Last time it was nail polish. Oh, it's cute. They're cute. Don't lose the little plastic backy things. Hang on. Let me stick them here so I can show them to you. I have on mine set to send whatever, silver, gold, rose gold. So I just kind of get whatever, but you could say I just want gold, I just want silver, I don't wear earrings, all that stuff. Look at the hay in the middle. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Woven lovely. Let's put them on. Y'all, is it weird seeing me without a stitch of makeup and just in, a t-shirt and a sweater? I guess the t-shirt and the sweater is not that big of a deal, but no makeup and my glasses. They're cute. They're really cute. Kind of matches my sweater though. Alright, let's look at the necklace. Now a lot of people were unhappy because it used to be 3 pieces of jewelry and now she's went to 2. But the way prices are going up now, it doesn't surprise me that she, had to do that, because like I said, she is a small business. And small businesses are having such a hard time right now. Oh, I like it. Look at that, y'all. Isn't it gorgeous? I really like it. Now, all of them have the extender and the Mint Mongoose stamp here. This is cute. This is really cute. I may need to put it longer for this type of shirt. I had it in the second smallest, so let's go all the way to the end. Let's see how that does. That's better. I don't have fur on my shirt. I shouldn't. Well, Callie did sit with me earlier. I think it's lovely. I mean, you could flip it over to the other side if you wanted, but I love this set. This is probably one of my favorite sets I have gotten from her. It's just so me, I think. A long necklace, a cute little pendant, cute little earrings with that little country touch that I love. I love it. Oh my goodness, I love it. What do y'all think? I want to hear y'all's opinion on the Mint Mongoose. Do you think it's worth it? I think this one's worth it. I think this one is worth it. I've been kind of trying to judge what I think is worth it, what I don't think is worth it, because I'm trying to scale down. Because girls, y'all, I was spending some money and I had to slow myself down for Christmas. But, you know, anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I really would appreciate it if you press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I appreciate it so very much. Don't forget to tell your friends. Press that notification bell if you don't want to miss any of my videos. You know, sometimes the collabs, they come on different times, different days than normal. So, yeah, you want those notifications. Make sure you turn notifications on your phone so you'll actually get them. Because, yeah, that happens sometimes. Y'all, thank you for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful and maybe not as rainy as mine. Y'all, God bless.